elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, swimming in a shoal. G is for goat, climbing high. H is for hat, worn up high. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for jelly, wiggly gold. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, roaring high. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, birds all around. O is for orange, juicy delight. P is for parrot, colorful sight. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for tiger, full of might. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van, driving in a lane. W is for whale in the sea. X is for saxophone, musical glee. Y is for yak, strong and cool. Z is for zebra, black and white